feel how I used to. I don't feel how you.
Hey guys, good morning, or actually it's not morning, but I'm gonna wish you guys good morning. So as you can see, I'm in a different house right now. I don't know how the audio is going to be because as you can see, the house is still very empty. I don't know if that's better. And I just thought that it'll be really fun to vlog and show you guys. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, then you probably know that we have been for the longest time trying to get this house ready. It has become very hard because obviously most of the places are closed and the lockdown and all of those things. So anyway, I just thought that it will be fun to vlog. Maybe show you guys around a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. Hey guys, what's up? So we are going to make some pizza. I think it's like 7:30 right now, and yeah. So anyway, like I was saying, we're gonna be making some pizza. I'm gonna make some dough. One thing I've learned in this lockdown is to make pizza dough from scratch. Sorry about the echo, by the way. The pizza dough is resting, and meanwhile I think I need to give the pizza dough at least an hour to rest so that it can rise up and it can be like a proper pizza dough. But till then, I'm actually going to finish some other work that I have. So I'm actually currently editing a video that I shot today, hence why I'm wearing the same clothes that I'm wearing right now. But anyway, I'm going to edit this video. This is actually in collaboration with a brand, which you will be seeing on my Instagram. Anyways, I'm going to edit that, send it to the people for approval. This is the problem when you collaborate with brands, is that you always have to get everything approved. So yeah, fingers crossed that they like it. By the way, if you guys want a detailed recipe on how to make the pizza dough, then I will leave the link down in the description box below. I actually shared it on one of my Instagram posts, so you guys can go and check it out. It's super easy to make.
Just to say a hello, hey, or to pick up the phone just to say what is up. It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing, yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing, yes I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to.
So we've got a room here. Obviously it has a lot of things, so it's
very chaotic. We've kept most of like the boxes, the TV box, the fridge box, and all of those things, and even some like things that we buy at the grocery store. For now we've just stored it in this room. And then you have this. I'm just giving you guys an overview because obviously the house is nowhere near ready, so once it gets ready I'll give you guys a proper tour. So yeah, and then when we go here, you have the living room. So as you can see, the living room is absolutely empty. The only thing that's there properly is the TV set. So yeah, we have that. And then we have the dining space. So this is like the dining space, and I really like that, like with the lights and everything. Actually there used to be a wall here before, but we broke it so that we can make like a huge living dining space. So yeah, it's pretty big, I would say. Then there's this puja room. There's still a lot pending. Like this frame right here actually is going to have like a really nice design, but yeah, that's the mini puja room for now. There's that. And this is like my favorite part, like one of my favorite part, which is the huge balcony. And then you have that amazing view. Again, not ready. And then we have the kitchen over here. I think this has to be my favorite spot. And I think for now, as of now, the kitchen definitely looks the most complete, but it still has like so many things that needs to be finished. So like the lofts over there and everything, yeah. But I love the tiles. Oh my god, it looks so cool. It's like a nice white kitchen. I can't wait to like make cooking videos here. You guys let me know in the comments if you want to see some cooking videos. But anyway, this is the fridge. That was my mom. This is the fridge. I love this fridge. We still haven't taken out the stickers and stuff. It's still pretty new. But I love this fridge. First of all, ice maker. Second of all, you can like knock and the fridge lights up. How cool is that? And you can actually open just the top half if you want to, or you can open the entire fridge like this. This is bedroom number 1. I'm not going to show you guys much of it because as you guys can see, there's still so much pending. Another one. So yeah, we actually sleep in this room and we don't have curtains, so we've just hung out like random pieces of like bed sheets and cloth and all that. So yeah, we've got the desk here, washroom, and the wardrobe, and that's me.
Or call me back and tell me something new. Now we're off of this beat and I'm spitting a cappella. Hey. Back in the day in school with the fools when I was younger. We never skipped class, we were living life waiting on the summer. Yeah, we live so fast, it's hard to see the seasons change. There goes another. Oh, what our life would be like if we were dreaming.
I don't think I've been talking much in this vlog. I thought for once, let me just not talk too much and just show you guys what I'm doing. So anyway, as you saw in the previous footage, I worked out and I also had some watermelon, which I don't think I showed, but anyway, I took a shower. It's 5 PM right now. I have makeup on and everything. I'm actually going to go and take some pictures. The lighting is perfect right now. As you can see, it's like not too sunny because it's the evening time, but the sky is like nice and blue. So I want to get some nice sky shots. Honestly, I've been loving doing photo shoots during lockdown. It has been such a blessing. I've like learned so much about taking pictures of yourself. I also made some videos, so I've linked it down in the description box so you guys can go and check it out. But anyway, I think I need to rush because the sun can go down any second. So yeah, let's go.
And together we were wishing, cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home. And all I'm doing is I'm singing, yes I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. I'm coming back now. I don't feel like I used to. No, I don't feel like I used to. Can tell me something new.
night. I'm going to change, freshen up and go to bed. I hope you guys have a good night if you're watching this at night, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!
Oh, you can tell me something.